In this video, as you can see, the Wi-Fi function is completely disabled. There's no option in the Windows 11 system for us to choose and connect to a preferred Wi-Fi network. In this case, all we do is we click on the start button, the Windows start button on the taskbar, then we type in device manager, go to device manager, then we go into Bluetooth, so we expand Bluetooth. That's the left side. On the left hand side there's an arrow pointing towards the right hand side, so we click on that arrow and that'll expand the Bluetooth list. We select the Realtek Bluetooth at 4.0 adapter, we press and hold it, and then we uninstall device. When you select uninstall device, you'll get a pop-up prompting to confirm you want to uninstall the device. Now it is very important you select the attempt to remove the driver for this device. You select on that, you tick the checkbox, then you click uninstall. This will remove the Bluetooth driver temporarily, and after this all you've got to do is click on the taskbar again and restart the system.